In this video, we are going to see how the VLOOKUP basic functionality works. So let's say that I have this simple product names, product IDs, make and unit price. And let's say that whenever the customer comes, I have a lot of items. So I want a system that I just enter the products in the search box, whatever the customer had asked for, and all the information regarding that product should appear here. And I don't have to find it manually or apply filters to it. So I need to create a search box which can automatically look up for the products. Let's make the search box. Let's make an item search. Give it a professional touch by formatting. Let's make this like this, and all the information should appear here. I'll also apply the borders on the first column as well. And now it's ready. Now what I need to do is I can simply search any product here, seat covers, and it should automatically give me all the details like product name, product ID, make and unit price. So I'll just copy the headings here and paste it at the bottom. Let's reformat this. I'll just go to the home tab again. And since the formatting is disturbed, we need to change it back to the original one. And let's even change it for the first headings as well. So now it's done. I want a system now that whenever we enter any product name, all the information related to that product should automatically appear here and we don't have to look up manually. But before understanding the functionality, let's suppose that you have all these products along with the details on a paper. So what you will do, let's say that someone asked for the window tint price. So we have noted that what the customer has asked. Now we will search it thoroughly in the results and we will start looking up from the top to bottom. We will search for the product and here it is. Now what we have done manually is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. That means you are searching for the item in a vertical sequence. And when we find the item, we will see its relevant results. Let's say that we want to see the price of it. So we will manually jump our eyes to fourth column automatically. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4th. In fourth column is the relevant price of it. This is exactly how VLOOKUP works. The only thing is it will work automatically. We just have to mention the product name here and it will extract the product ID, make and unit price for you. Equals to VLOOKUP. We don't need to write this completely. We can just follow this automatically by just pressing tab and lookup value. This is the tooltip that we need to concentrate on. It's simply asking what do you want to find? Means if you want to find the product ID for what kind of item. So this is the field that I want to look up to. Why I have selected the field and not written the item manually? That's because whatever in this field, I want to find the results related to that. So when I change the product, it will change the results automatically. And after that, according to tooltip, press comma when you selected the lookup value. Table array. In which table do you want to find the relevant results? So this complete table is my table array. I'll select that, comma. Column index number. In which relevant column do you want to find the result? So the column number starts from here, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. So 4th is for price, but if I want to see the product ID, let's say it is in the second column. As you can see, product ID is in the second column. So I'll write 2 here and comma. Do you want to find it exactly or approximately? Now just guys, remember that approximate match is used only in text conditions or discount conditions where it is defined that if a person, let's say, buys between 1,000 to 2,000, they get 2% discount. Between 2,000 to 5,000, they get 3% discount. So if they fall within that particular numbers, then only they can get the discount. So in that kind of conditions where there is no exact field, but it lies between a particular range, approximate match is applied. Otherwise, in all of these conditions where you have to find the exact value, exact match is applied. So we can just double click and it will write false for us. But for all the Excel Pro users, they always write 0. 0 is for false and 1 is for true. That means 0 is for exact match and 1 is for approximate match. Just remember that. Hit enter. And this is that simple. Product ID is successfully extracted for Windows Tint. Now, if you want to find for roof box, I can just change the product and it will change and find the relevant ID for you. And not only that, we can do it for all the other fields, but I just want you to try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.